Go with the evidence. A guide to understanding and application. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might come across in English conversations or readings. Go with the evidence. This expression is not just about understanding its literal meaning, but also about grasping its usage in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only comprehend what it means but also how to apply it effectively in your daily English communications. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. The phrase, "go with the evidence," consists of three main components that we need to understand individually and as a whole. 1. Go with. This part implies following or choosing something. 2. The evidence refers to facts, information, or signs that show something is true or exists. Putting it together, go with the evidence suggests making decisions or forming opinions based on the facts and information available, rather than on personal beliefs or feelings. It underscores the importance of objectivity and rationality in decision-making processes. Understanding when and how to use the phrase, "go with the evidence," is crucial for effective communication. Let's explore different scenarios where this phrase is aptly used. 1. Academic and research settings. When discussing theories or research findings, emphasizing the need to go with the evidence highlights the importance of relying on empirical data. 2. Everyday decision-making. Whether you're choosing which product to buy or deciding on a travel destination, go with the evidence encourages basing these decisions on solid facts and reviews. 3. Debates and arguments. In discussions where opinions are strong, reminding participants to go with the evidence can steer the conversation towards a more factual and less emotional ground. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples of how "go with the evidence" can be used in sentences. When it comes to climate change, we must go with the evidence and recognize the impact of human activities. In choosing the right strategy for our project, we decided to go with the evidence provided by our market analysis. Although I personally preferred the other candidate, I had to go with the evidence of their track records in decision-making. Understanding and using the phrase, "go with the evidence," is about embracing the power of informed decision-making. It's a reminder that, in a world overflowing with information and opinions, grounding our choices in facts and evidence is crucial. We hope this exploration helps you not only in your English language learning journey but also in applying critical thinking in your everyday life. Thank you for watching, and remember, always go with the evidence in your quest for truth and clarity.